myself is Dr. Sharad Giramkar. Today I will explain animal behavior. In this video I will explain definition of animal behavior, patterns of animal behavior, mechanism understanding animal behavior, applications of animal behavior. Actually, animal behavior is also called as a ethology. In this chapter, we will discuss about the scope of animal behavior as well as the pattern and uses of animal behavior in human being. Scope of animal behavior, understanding the evolutionary application, examining behavior as an adaptation to survive and reproduce, animal welfare and conservation, prey and predator relation among the animals as well as the relation of animal among the animals as well as the environment also. First of all, we will discuss about the various pattern of animal behavior, in which say it is a innate behavior, learned behavior, social behavior, reproductive behavior, defensive and aggressive behavior, as well as we will also discuss about the migratory behavior also. First of all, innate behavior. Actually, this behavior is inherited and instinct, and these are present right from the birth. For example, spider web spinning. The characteristic of that animal behavior, innate behavior, is nothing but it does not require the prior learning experience. It is a fixed and predictable in nature, controlled by genetic factors. Second type of the behavior called as acquired behavior. Characteristic of acquired behavior is nothing but it is a flexible, strongly influenced by the environmental factors. The good example of acquired behavior is a conditional Pavlov's experiment. Second type, next type is nothing but a social behavior. These occur when animals interact with each other within a group, influencing survival and reproduction. For example, division of labor in case of the honeybee. For example, that animal behavior, social behavior types, we can say it is a communication behavior, cooperative behavior, it is a next type is a defensive and aggressive behavior. Defensive and aggressive behavior in animals help them survive and reproduce better. Defensive behavior include action like running away, freezing, holding them, they feel threatened. For example, camouflage and mimicry used by the insects. Migratory behavior. Migratory behavior in bird refer to regulate seasonal movement of birds from one place to another, typically in search of better living condition, better living. The pattern of animal behavior are influenced by combination of genetic, neurological and environmental factors. Then application of studying animal behavior. Understanding the animal behavior has many practical uses. For example, wildlife conservation, it helps in planning breeding program and protecting habitats. Animal husbandry involves livestock management and breeding strategies. Medicines and neurosciences offer insight into the human behavioral disorders. Even artificial intelligence inspired by animal behavior to develop efficient robotics. Thank you so much.